So hello guys, I'm here in my cousin's house, and for those who are already familiar and been following me before, I'm working here before as a carpentry and a furniture man. So now he has this new and latest equipment. Say tawagan
Jointer planer. Jointer planer.
Jointer planer. Before, he teach me how to use asa tayong planer na tinuod rin. This is the the old version, or
Planer dyan nga itong ginagamit ako.
hala na, hassle na siya.
Dahil okay na. Dahil na po.
So this is what I used to as he teach me before. So yes, this one.
Doon, kabuk. Nastaan na nila.
Okay, this is the example. So this is what I used to use before, as he also teach me how to use this. And now, again and again, there is a new and latest machinery, same as the function. So now I will be going to operate. Okay. So that's how it works. The labor, the effort is much easier than using those, say tawagan ni mga luma na rin, no? It's the old,
Kuan.
the traditional, not upgraded.
Dali ang trabaho.
Let's make that. And guys, if you want to also get an idea of furniture, guys, you can also subscribe to his channel.
Technique.
So now thickness. Kung sa ganito yung name sa imong channel?
Kuan. Algran Furniture.
Al Grand Furniture. Well, just check on the comment, because I will comment the link of his channel for you to get some idea, because he's really a good furniture man, and this is one of his creations. Actually, he will be going to, sa tawagan na rin, kanang customized design, but if the customer has their preference. But this one, is this your original design, or this is the original design, guys? Same here. So this is already ordered. And this one also, look at this beautiful design, guys. Alba Furniture, which is part of their name. So he also the one who curved this, who do everything. He will going to teach me. I'm here before working, but sometimes the volume of the orders in the furniture business is ups and downs. So during the time that I also left and went to the city for another opportunity, those are the time that the order is not really on highest peak. So right now, and look, I also encourage him to do vlogging. As you can see, there is a phone holder here to share the talent. So we're going to do the procedure of thickness of the wood. Okay, naman ay holder nito. So kung saan yung gibuhat karon is nag setting. So thickness, meaning to say, if thickness asa ta magkuha diri. Okay. So the thickness earlier is the, so ganin diri length.
Gibagon.
Kining unsa pa tawag pag
Kaning kalapat. Width.
Width. The width. Karon thickness. So goes in different way, guys, because imagine, wow, really amazing. You just put the wood there and just comes out in its own. So that's how it works for the thickness rin. That's how it works for the thickness. Imo lang
Taslak.
just like feed it, imong ibutang, then already na diri na set og unsa ka baga. Okay, that's how it works. Now it's my turn to try it. Okay, So I will try. Just put like this. Okay. Let me try.
Adjust it. Adjust it.
This is the adjuster. Okay, let's show them. So this is the adjuster for you to get the exact thickness, tamang thickness, di ba? How thick it is. So karon, how thick is this wood? Kung saan man siya ka 7 8. So set na ni dire. It's already set here, guys.
'Yan ba kapatid?
Precise. It's the advantage of this machine, guys, because the width, the thickness is very precise because it's already set here. Diba? Naka-setting siya eh.
Pantay gid siya. Wala labaw.
Okay, para asa man siya gamiton? Tools.
Dito sa sulod.
For bed or... Okay, this is for railings, guys. And so pag magawa na to, ingani na siya ang product. Okay, this is the finished product. This is for railings for stairs. Very nice. Okay. For my friends, okay. It works like this. So let's just imagine that this is the stair. So there is the railings. Okay? Very nice. So if you have a house here, okay. If you have a house here, a rest house here in the Philippines, and if you are looking for a good furniture man, just email me, guys, and I will refer you the best furniture maker here. Pila na aka years nag furniture ren? About
14 years.
14 years of furniture making. So you can do that. Just email me, just in case you have a property here, a house, a rest house, whatever, just email me. Di ba maka any furniture works. Bed, cabinet, and this is the wife also. Oh. Next step dire.
Thickness ko sa circular para dali ra sa ipaslap dito.
So katon siya kining mga kahoy na we finished there. Ano gapon mo dira? I-proseso gapon sa dire. Kapoy na kayo, guys.